Good morning. Welcome to our Thursday class of the week. Today is Thursday, April 16th. On Tuesday, we did some morphology review, and you guys uploaded a note sheet to Schoology and submitted that, or you should have. If there's questions about that, let me know. As you can see today, we are going to study adjectives. So instead of doing a YouTube video, I just am doing a screencast of my iPad here on GoodNotes, and we're going to walk through some things together. So you can see me work through the notes and examples as I talk about them. And then after you're done, there is a worksheet for you to upload to Schoology. This one does not matter if you handwrite it, but you are certainly welcome to. I always encourage that. Just a side note, as I go through our notes on adjectives today, I don't have a stylus here. I got a new iPad from the school and they didn't give me one. I don't know why. So I am attempting to write this out just using my pointer finger. So please bear with me as we go through this. So adjectives. Adjectives describe a noun or pronoun, okay? What is a noun? We should all know this. It's a person, place, or thing. Okay, a pronoun replaces someone's name. So can you think of some examples of a pronoun? He, she, we, you, they, them, etc. I already got we. Okay, so the adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. Again, this is a review. We've studied this before. Adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. They answer 3 questions. Okay. What kind? Okay, is it small, big, fluffy? Okay, which one? Oops. Which one? Like third, last, and finally, how many? So 2, 3, etc. So what kind is small, big, fluffy, hairy, ugly, stinky, cute, pretty, pokey, rough, smooth? Which one? Was it your first assignment, your third? Was it that one? Or how many? Did you have 2 assignments to do last night? Do you have 3 chairs at your table? How many? Okay. So if I were going to describe, let's say I was going to describe my house. Okay. What do I know about my house? I know that it's in the country. I know that it's blue. I know that I have 3 bedrooms at my house. So if I wanted to describe my house, I could say I have a 3-bedroom house. Okay, I could also say I have a blue house. I could also have more than one adjective in my sentence. I could say I have a blue 3-bedroom house. I have all my adjectives in there. Okay, here we are going to have some examples. It's going to start from easy to hard. From easy to hard, sorry. All right, Nathan is excited to go fishing. Okay, remember we are answering these 3 questions. What kind, which one, how many? Oops. Nathan is excited to go fishing. What is Nathan? He is excited. So our adjective in that sentence is excited. Rory has a furry dog. What kind of dog does Rory have? Furry. Can you think of any other examples to describe dogs? Happy, Stinky, Hyper, that's my dog, Smelly, Cute. All right, next one. Grant's sister is younger than him. Our nouns here are Grant and sister. So if I'm describing his sister, I'm going to say she's younger than him. Micaiah enjoys drinking fancy drinks from Starbucks. All right, our nouns in the sentence, person, place, thing, or idea. Micaiah drinks and Starbucks. Anything that describes Micaiah? I don't think so. Anything that describes drinks? Yes, fancy. Anything that describes Starbucks? I don't see anything. When I was writing this sentence here about Micaiah, I was going to put frou-frou in there, but I guess frou-frou isn't a real word. But if it was, it could be used as an adjective. Okay, Brayden likes to wear stylish clothes when he goes to school. So my nouns are Brayden, clothes, and school. Anything that describes Brayden, anything that describes clothes or school. If you said the answer is stylish, you are correct. He likes to wear stylish clothes to school. Any other examples that you can think of for clothing? Warm, cool, comfortable. We could say blue. Maybe you're really a diehard Blue Devil, so you'll only wear blue. Any other ideas of what we could use to describe clothes? Fancy. All good examples, and I'm sure you thought of more on your own. All right, we're going to take it up to the next level here. All right, I don't know why these got underlined. Please ignore the underlining. I have no idea why that happened. It just did. We are going to go through and do the same thing we did on the last page, except there is more than one adjective per sentence. So the first one says, Christian gave me a happy smile when I said we were going to get a bunch of fluffy snow overnight. We have our nouns in here, Christian, smile, snow. What describes what here? I don't see anything that describes Christian. Happy describes the smile. How many or how much for snow? We have a bunch. And what kind of snow? It's fluffy. Okay. Skyla likes to make her long hair colorful with dye. Skyla, hair, and dye. All right, anything that describes Skyla or hair or dye? All right, we have adjectives for hair. What are they? If you said long and colorful, you are correct. All right, again, ignore everything that's underlined. I don't know what happened. Dylan diligently worked on his tough assignments so he could play his fun video games. Alrighty, our nouns here are Dylan, assignments, and video games, or arguably games. What are the adjectives in this sentence? All right, tough is one. It describes assignments. His fun describes the games. And what kind of games are they? They are video games. All right, if you said that diligently was one, you are close. This is what's known as an adverb, which is kind of like an adjective and a verb smushed together. Adverbs describe verbs. It's how you do something, but it is not an adjective. Okay, the next one. Jordan walked into my clean classroom thinking he was going to eat his crunchy Doritos and put his cheesy fingers all over my table. Think for a bit. This one's pretty straightforward. See if you can't figure out the adjectives in this sentence. Tell somebody sitting next to you what the adjectives are. Jordan walked into my clean classroom thinking he was going to eat his crunchy Doritos and put his cheesy fingers all over my table. There are 3 adjectives in that sentence. All right, did you tell somebody? The adjectives are clean, crunchy, and cheesy. If you got those 3, you are correct. Next sentence. Tomorrow, Tiffany and her little sister are going to take a luxurious vacation to a, not sure why that's capitalized, a tropical island. Tomorrow, Tiffany and her little sister are going to take a luxurious vacation to a tropical island. There are 3 adjectives in this sentence. See if you can figure out what they are. Tell somebody next to you the 3 adjectives. Tomorrow, Tiffany and her little sister are going to take a luxurious vacation to a tropical island. All right, the 3 here are little, luxurious, and tropical. Okay, little describes sister, luxurious describes vacation, and tropical describes the island. All right, next one. This should be a little C. English class had begun when Natalie called out that it was her 13th birthday and she had brought tasty cupcakes for everyone. Okay. English class had begun when Natalie called out that it was her 13th birthday and she had brought tasty cupcakes for everyone. There are 3 adjectives in here. This one is the trickiest by far. See if you can figure out what's what. All right, what type of class? It's English class. What kind of birthday? Her 13th birthday. Or which birthday? What kind of cupcakes? Tasty cupcakes. All right, how did you do? I hope you all did well. This is a review. Okay, the next thing that you are going to do is you are going to go and work on your worksheet, and then you will upload to Schoology. Okay? Make sure you've also answered the discussion post. If you haven't done that, make sure you do that now. Okay? If you have any other questions, please reach out. I'm here for you. I hope this video made sense. And we will be back next Tuesday.